Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Whenever I see amazing wildlife or cute animals playing at a distance, I want to be able to get footage of that with my phone. But zooming in on my phone always ruins the quality of the video. And that's one reason that I got this monocular telescope from Ayraviio. This comes with a phone adapter so that you can attach it to your phone, line it up with your camera, and get that perfect shot zoomed in on whatever it is that you want to film or take pictures of. When you first attach it, you'll notice that the picture doesn't fill up the whole thing. So you'll have to zoom in a bit and then you'll be able to get that full screen video. I love how lightweight this is, even when I use it without my phone, to be able to look into the distance and see things up close. The focus on it is really easy and smooth to use, and I like that it has these little grips on it. It also comes with lens covers, so you can make sure that you keep this scratch-free and dust-free. The tripod on it is absolutely necessary if you're filming, especially so that it doesn't come across as shaky. And I found that I could balance it so that it held the phone and the telescope without shaking. I've been having so much fun with this. I think it's a great monocular telescope, and that's my point of view.